Has to be tough. This German bike, yeah. Has to be tough. Fill your frickin' oil filter before you put it on the engine. Oh, oh yeah. BMW's finest, rebadged. I would like to have used T6 or T4, but no, my conscience has to weigh on me. That's the ultimate joke right there, hey? It'd be funny if it were Leatherman. For the hosers among us, I certainly one of them, if you're curious about the long-term benefit, reliability, usability, durability of cheap Amazon crash bars, are they any good? Absolutely. I bought these 2 years ago, and, you know, It's a crash bar. It's an expendable exterior shell for an otherwise delightful, thing. I'd rather, bang up these than valve covers. These are cheap, and they're for cheap for a reason. However, as such, there's only so many places for a company to cheap out on crash bars. Specifically, your hardware grade, type of metal, the alloy, whatever, thickness of the metal, but also the powder coating. The hardware on this, as you can see, those are nylock washers. They're also stainless. The entire bolt, through bolt here, this is the through bolt, stainless. All the hardware is stainless. Even the washer is stainless. I think that's fantastic. My only complaint, and it's hard to have a complaint when they're so freaking cheap, they're about half price, at least they were half price when I purchased them, comparatively to, again, SW Motec or another version, not including, Wunderlich, because that's a different freaking animal in and of itself. But powder coating, cheap powder coating. And again, it's hard to have a complaint because they're inherently cheap. And I'm okay with them being cheap because, again, it's an expendable layer for, it's an eggshell. But you can see it's getting a little gross, getting a little bubbly. And it's not like I'm dropping fuel on it or nothing, just sun-baked. This side is notably worse than this side. This side's just faded. But, heat from the cylinder or even the exhaust manifold here, no real effect. No real effect. All in all, solid product. Would I suggest them? Abso-freaking-lutely. They're great money for the value. Or great value for the money. But just a little heads up, will these be replaced with a quote-unquote nicer, better product? Maybe. I don't know. They serve their purpose. If all I'm complaining about is just the powder coating quality, then I'll remove them, have them re-powder coated, maybe probably black again. But does it matter? No, not right now. These are peachy fine, as is.